So Suyesha, what I can just tell you is I would just request my journalists to just show the visuals, because over here not only is the crime team of Delhi Police but also the forensics of the forensics team of the Delhi Police is present over here, and you can understand that now the process of gathering crucial evidences in this matter is taking place, because one understands that there have been lives of 6 innocent toddlers that have been lost because of the gross negligence. And as you rightly pointed out, that there have been 6 points that have been listed by Delhi Police which resulted in the death of 6 innocent toddlers. And when speaks, there is a lot of anger and a lot of disappointment also among the parents, as the investigation by the crime team of the Delhi Police along with the forensics is going on. The first and the foremost aspect which they are trying to now find out is that was this hospital really having all the proper equipments of functioning as a hospital, because one has to understand that it was not having the fire extinguisher as had been mentioned by Delhi Police officially. Moreover, in addition to that, it has also pointed out that the hospital had an expired license. Its license had expired on March 31st, which it had not renewed. The doctors in this hospital were not competent enough, they were not qualified enough of treating the neonatal babies. So yes, and more importantly, there was also only one emergency and exit point from this hospital. So yes, all these vital points are there which has been mentioned by the Delhi Police officially. But yes, now the major challenge for the Delhi Police along with the forensics would be to make sure that it has all evidences in its place, because first they would be wanting most probably the custody of the 2 accused that have been arrested in the case, namely Dr. Naveen Kishi and also Dr. Akash. It is most probably they would be produced in Karkarduma court in the afternoon now. Will the police seek their custody or not? This will be very interesting to see.
Yes, yes.
What evidences will the Delhi Police present?
That was exactly what I was going to come to you next, Piyush, because Dr. Naveen Kichi and Dr. Akash will be produced in the Karkarduma court at 4 p.m. We also heard from some of the IMA doctors who went on to say that we should not call him an accused until the charges are proven. Now, with the kind of anger that is mounting against how norms were flouted at that hospital in Vivek Vihar, what's expected will happen in court today?
So Yasha, there are 2 sides of it. Yes, the doctor would definitely like to protect the fraternity, but right now I also have with me one of the bereaved parent, and you would also need to understand his side of the story, because this parent has lost his child, and what kind of trauma is this parent going through? Let us just understand from him, because it is going to be a sound answer to those doctors who are right now trying to protect an accused. आपका नाम भाई साहब?
मेरा नाम अंजार चौधरी है।
पहले तो मैं ये संकट की घड़ी है, आपने अपना बच्चा खोया है, आपके बच्चे की उम्र कितनी थी?
12 दिन।
12 दिन। आपके बच्चे का नाम?
मेरे बच्चे नाम फातिमा था।
आपके बच्चे का नाम फातिमा लड़की थी?
लड़की थी।
अच्छा, तो अभी तो जो डॉक्टर नवीन किची है उन्हें पकड़ लिया गया है, लेकिन कुछ डॉक्टर्स उनके पास गए हैं उनका बचाव करने, बोला है कि वो तो डॉक्टर है और उनका काम है ज़िंदगी को बचाना, और ये जो हुआ ये तो हादसा था, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहोगे?
ये जो अगर उनका काम बचाने का, तो ये काम क्या कर रहे थे यहाँ? ये तो रिफिल का काम चल रहा था यहाँ, सिलेंडर हुआ, डेली गाड़ी उतरती थी। इसके गवाह आस पड़ोस वाले भी हैं सारे, ठीक है। मुकदमा भी दर्ज है पे 2021 से, अरे ये क्या नाम है 2024 मार्च के महीने में जो मैंने अभी इसकी डिटेल निकाली है, उसमें क्या नाम है उनका लाइसेंस रद्द हो चुका है। उसके बाद भी अपना गोरख धंधा चला रहे थे।
तो आप कहते हो कि ये लालच था? ये लालच था, ये स्वार्थ था, जिसकी वजह से मतलब ज़िंदगी गई है?
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत लालच, मैं कह रहा हूँ पैसे का बहुत बड़ा लालच है। अब एक मेरे जैसे माँ बाप मिडिल क्लास, उनको 15,000 रुपये पर डे इन्हें दे रहे हैं, तो जाहिर सी बात आप जोड़ लो, 12 दिन मेरी बच्ची हो चुके हैं, कितने पैसे हो चुके हैं। और उसके अलावा जितने भी सब बच्चे और हैं, वो और बच्चे के माँ बाप डेली जमा करते थे, तो आप इससे अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कितने पैसा यहाँ पे।
So Yasha, you can understand the kind of pain which the parent is going through, and this is one more side of the story. that how there were flaws, there were lapses in the hospital which has resulted in the loss of 6 lives, 6 innocent lives. And more than that, there have been 6 families that have been completely destroyed. So who is going to be made accountable for all this? All this now is going to be made sure when the Delhi police is going to commit its investigation, the process of which has now already started. Back to you in the studio.